Hey guys, welcome back to Grace Sisters. So today, I am going to be making some slime because, like last season Sassier, I haven't made a single slime. So I'm gonna be making one today. I'm gonna be making a purple glitter slime. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm back, guys. And because I was taking out the glue, I don't know why. I'm gonna put the camera. I'll put it, but I'll try. Oh no! Pew, pew. So, and here's my glue. So yeah, let's just do our slime. So here's the glue, as you can see. I'll be needing a little bit of borax. Then you add spice. I'm just kidding. You should not add a lot because then when you're mixing it, it's gonna get like harder and harder. That's what happened to me in this. It feels like glue. I just don't want it. So I think you'll waste glue. Like, okay. Yeah, mix, man. Now what's next? Let's start mixing. I'll get closer. Ooh, it's starting to. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know. Oof. It's like it's coming together. So I think I'm gonna take out the straw. Oops. Okay. And there we go. I feel it's coming together. I can just feel the senses of slime. Oh no. I think it's need a little bit more. This is too. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna try to make a goal and oh. That's what happened to me last time. Like last year, I put a little bit of. Oh, wait, never mind. It's working. Just gotta mix a lot. And ta-da! So yeah, I'm gonna just start. So yeah, I'm gonna see you like in I don't know 2 minutes. And now it's done, baby. And I didn't add more activator, like this one. Oh my gosh. My hair is so messy. Okay. So, yeah. This. I think I should put it down here because that would be more good. So this is the slime. Now I'm gonna be making it to this. Adding this little bit of glitter because I have these like bottles of glitter. Okay, I'm gonna make it like a really little circle. Oh, I pinched myself. Don't ask me why. And I should add the whole bottle. There you go. Empty. And look at that. Okay. Look at that. Ready, small. Oh my god. This is just. I love glitter slime. I don't know why. So yeah. So let me mix it up because I don't think I'll be good at ASMR. And my magic is done. It looks literally like purple. And then I am going to be wait guys, I'm gonna surprise you. I'm gonna be adding this like shimmery scales glitter. Okay, and look at that. Wow, it looks so shimmery. Okay, let's just play with it. Okay. Whoa, I like this. I don't know. And yeah. So I hope you like this slime, and I hope you like this video, even if it's kind of. Oh my gosh, it's not wrong. So I hope you give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of slime. I like it because I like the color. And too, my friend told me to make a video long time ago. Like her name is Fanny. She like, you haven't made a video since like New Year's. You should go see that video. It was New Year's. Today is January 31. Tomorrow's February 1st, and Valentine's is coming. So I'm super excited. So yeah. So yeah, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And comment down below what should I do next. So yeah. And if you like this slime, then give this video a big thumbs up or subscribe. Do one of those things. I like it. It's like glitter, and it looks purple actually. I have lots of things. I have my mom for Christmas. She bought me this kit of slime. It has 50 things. Wow. It has 18 different colored slimes, 3 cutting shape utensils, 2 vials of colored glitter, gold, purple, white, and 2 bags of sugar paper. Sugar paper, I don't know. Oh, okay. The thing that I just put, the purple thing. 1 pack of animal shaped molds, 1 bag of clear beads, 1 bag of blue beads, 1 bag of multicolored beads, 2 packs of glow in the dark powder, 1 bag of large multicolored foam balls, 1 bag of small multicolored foam balls, 1 bag of blue foam balls, 1 bag of green foam balls, 1 bag of pink foam balls, 1 bag of yellow foam balls, and 1 bag of plastic fruits. And they are 300 pieces. You know, in those clear signs, they put those little fruits. So yeah. I didn't even know. I thought my mom didn't even let me play slime anymore. But no, she had that hidden. So yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment below what should I do next. And I put this as my background. It's unicorn. And yeah, it's so pretty. So bye guys.